In this video, I want to show you how to send your location on WhatsApp using an Apple iPhone. So to send your location on WhatsApp using an iPhone device, it's very simple. The first thing you want to do, you want to open up your WhatsApp. So let's open up my WhatsApp now. So guys, once you open up your WhatsApp, I want you to tap on the chat you want to send your location to. So let's tap on this one. So let's assume I want to send my location to this chat. So what you want to do here, if you check the bottom left corner, you're going to see a plus icon over there. So I want you to tap on that plus icon. So once you tap on the plus icon, it's going to display something for you under it. So if you check closely, you're going to see where it says location. So I want you to tap on that location. So once you tap on that location, if you check the bottom here, you're going to see where it says, do you want to send your current location or you want to choose the location you want to send? If you want to choose the location you want to send, you just want to enter the address at the top and it's going to bring out the city for you. So for me now, I want to share my live location. Just want to tap on share live location. Once you tap on share live location, your current location will be sent to the chat to the person you are chatting with. So guys, this is how you can actually share your location on your WhatsApp using an Apple iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.